Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick video on how to short a stock and how I took one of the best plays on shorting today. So let's jump into it. Please be advised of the disclaimers. So today I alerted UBXY short at 10.65 in the chat room. Completely free to join, link in the description below to join the chat room. And we took this down all the way below a 10, so about 7-8% ROI if you held the position throughout the day. But I exited about 4 or 5% ROI. So I'll show you what I did and my take on it and my analysis and why I took this trade in the first place. So when we look at S&P 500, this is the S&P 500 index ETF, SPY. We saw that 390 was the big support in the stock market, and a support is a level that stock does not break, right? It's a foundation level. Once it breaks, that means the support is broken. Resistance is a high level that doesn't break over. Until it breaks over, it becomes a support. So resistance is up top, needs to break over. Support is down low, it's a foundation level. So that's basically what that is. So when we look at UBXY, we can see the resistance was at 10.8. And this is from last week into this week. We saw resistance was at 10.8 and it just couldn't break over. So when we see that the resistance continuously reject and reject, we can look for a short because it's most likely going to pull back or make a big drop. And just how UBXY and the volatility works, again, watch my video on how it works. You can just see that it's a great short setup. And we can also see that the support is down at 10 because it's a whole dollar support. It's a very mental number for the stock market and overall just in human nature itself. So psychologically, that's a whole dollar number support that we always use. So anywhere below that, we're looking to take profit. So when I shorted this one at 10.65, you can see right here, I alerted it as a gamble play. That was because I was kind of a little iffy on the trade, so I didn't want to go too big. So I'll just play it as a gamble play, which means don't go too large. Just, it's just going to be a gamble play, right? Like a lottery ticket, lottery play. So when I saw this confirming though, that's where I added more to the position. And that's where I knew that this was just going to make a big drop in the day. And you just know by instinct when you're a day trader and consistently trading over the years that this is just a move that's going to come up. And that's what I saw. So I shorted 10.65 when it started breaking 10.6 and 10.5. And I saw this big red candle right here where I'm highlighting. That's where I added more to my position. So I had a little over 1,000 shares on this short. And then what happened? What I look for in the short is continuous rejection of the VWAP. If you don't have that indicator, all you have to go is here and add the VWAP right there. And you just need the middle one. You don't need the upper or lower. You just need the middle one. And I make it red just because it makes it easier to see. So VWAP, it shows you buying or selling pressure. If it's over, there's buying pressure. If it's under, there's selling pressure. So that's obviously what we see in the highlighted section right here. That stock just going down and down and down, continuous red candles. It tries to come above, you can see right here. It tries to come above, rejects off VWAP, and stock just keeps going down. So what did I do? I took some profits at the 10.5 area and I call that my target is 10 to 10.3. And what happens? I covered some profits, 10.65, and then I took the rest at 10.35. I played it a little bit more safer than I wanted to. And what happened? Markets just kept going up and up. Markets made a nice recovery and this stock just kept going down. So you could have shorted this from 10.65 all the way down to about 9.7. I knew that when this broke the 10.5 level, it was just going to keep going down. It even broke 10, which I didn't really expect. And this was just a beautiful short on the day. It's a very simple setup if you get more into education on this market, how it works. That continuous rejection of the VWAP. The 1 right here, 2 right here, and then it just kept going down. So when we see a simple short setup like that, it's a very nice opportunity to get in at least the initial position, kind of see where it goes. Once it starts rejecting, you can add on the way down, and that's confirmation, and that's what I like to do. So that's basically why I took this short trade, and we got nice profits on this one. No, that's my profits right there on the day, and I had it running. I had a little bit of position running throughout the day, and I got some more at the 10 level because I knew it was a whole dollar support level, and that's why I had the profit loss still open. but I covered all the profits before close. So that was my trade on this one. And again, just to sum it up real quick, you want to look for a resistance level. If it's about to break over or very close, starts to break over, come back down, break over, you want to kind of let it go. Once it starts rejecting off that level and then makes the initial dip down, then we can look for initial go. And that's where we look to add the position on continuous VWAP rejection. So when this rejected right here in the morning at 10 a.m., 10:15 Eastern time, VWAP rejection, and then again at 12:30, that's again Eastern time rejection, that you can just keep on holding this. It's most likely going to continue going down. So that's how I shorted this stock. And that's mainly because I know how it works, and that's very important. So watch my video on how the VIX works, and you can actually day trade this almost every day, swing trade it, however you want to trade it that works for you. So I hope that this video helped you out. And if you want to get more into our chat room, link in the description below, free to join. You can also join using my website, pinnacletrading.us. Scroll down, hit the join now for free button. We do a lot of day trades, swing trades, even long-term trades. We've had solid plays in there. And I also share my charts and analysis, and also share my daily watch list, which many other people don't do. And you can, if you want to learn how to take these trades like me, head over to my course tab, and I teach you basic stock market education, how to trade and invest itself, and then some of my secrets like I'm sharing with you today for completely free. So hit that subscribe and like button, and I'll see you in my next video.